So you'll see it over here.
Cool. Right on. The live video. Cool. Can you move that tablet? Can I steal that?
Yeah.
From there? Cool. Then I can kind of answer messages while we're... Cool. That works for me. We are live. Welcome to Break. I don't see anybody in there yet. We'll give it a few minutes for the goat to grow some cheese. On, perfect. Thanks, buddy.
That way I can see me hands.
Exactly. So yeah, do what you do, man.
Grab my wobbly pop over there, Quinster.
Certainly. Get some bags there for you. Sleeves. Yeah, I see two people in there. What's going on, guys? I don't know who's all here, but welcome to Sanitarium, or as we like to say, the clown car. Everybody's getting all gloved up and all professional like.
Clown car.
Lubing up the shiznatch. If that's even such a thing.
I'm still jammed from supper.
Yeah, I hear you. That was delicious, man. Absolutely delicious. All right, let's get some boxes over there. Get everybody tingly. Not making them wait long enough.
Mark's there. Says go Leafs go.
All right, there's your 3 boxes. And tonight is going to be broke by none other than Lenny Crash.
Dun 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 dun.
So let the games begin.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Everybody's got their teams. I know I didn't update the pictures and whatnot, but that's all.
Am I in the center of the
You look good.
camera there?
No, yeah, I'm lagging, so it's hard to see. But
Yeah.
you're like maybe a little closer into.
All right. So
Dead center of this guy. Perfect. Yeah.
okay, sort of like that.
That's excellent. Yeah, I got a nice clear picture.
There we go.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Numb.
Come on, hits. Come on, hits. This is gonna be fun.
Those there.
This is gonna be fun.
2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10.
10.
First pack. I'm gonna go to the other end. I don't like them when they're tough.
Yeah, some of them
That's
are
better.
Yeah.
One end's always.
Fresh packs are always harder to open.
Yep. All right. Bobrovsky base. John Tavares.
Yeah.
In action.
In action. Sweet. That's a nice card.
Yep, brother. Yeah. Oh,
I will sleeve
New
these
York.
guys for you.
Will Boucher.
New Jersey, sweet.
Will Butcher.
Sweet.
He's
Marquee
from Jersey.
rookie, New Jersey.
Yep. And those are base. There you go.
That gets the goal light. That's a marquee. Sweet.
Second pack. Other end.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Getting a pretty good view there.
Yes, sir. I don't
Yeah,
like.
we'll see what happens.
Don't like when they do that.
Yeah, they're a bugger.
It's all right.
They get right in the corner.
A little slice on top is nice. I'd rather that than damage a card.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go. Wings. Base. Oh. Yep, base. Nick Bonino. Base. Oh, Destined for Glory.
Glory.
Dylan Larkin.
Sweet. We'll give him the gold light. That's a nice card. It's a nice
Then you
card.
got a base. Kyle.
Destined for Glory for Detroit. Sweetness. Look at that.
Indeed.
Sweetness.
All right. Next one. We've got Patrick Laine. That's a nice card.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Just a base, but nice
Yeah.
card.
Yeah, they are.
Sean Monahan. Ooh. Jonathan Quick. Retro.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah. LA Kings. On the scoreboard.
Yep. And Nikita Sherbak, comrade. Good card. Good card. Nikita Sherbak. Good card.
Sweet. Gets the marquee rookie goal.
Yes. Give
Montreal
him. Give
on
goal.
the board. Yes, give goal. In Soviet Russia, goal gives you.
Alrighty.
And that's not a rainbow parallel or anything.
No.
In the Sherlock's.
No.
Just a-
I've been checking the back.
Yes.
Nice one on the bottom. Alex Galanchuk. Base. Druin. Base. Ooh.
That's a funky blue looking.
Yes. Blue Rainbow. Numbered. 74 out of 149.
49. Sweet. We'll get a goal for that one.
Patrick Kane.
Sure.
Chicago Blackhawks.
Sweet.
And then hit the goal light again.
Whatever, nice.
Clayton Keller.
Marquee rookie.
Just a
for that
regular.
one.
But hey,
Still. But look at this one. Look at that.
Weckett.
Rainbow. 149.
Yep. 74 to
Blue
149.
rainbow too.
That's the first. That's the first one I've seen.
Yeah, of the blue rainbows.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Sweet.
Here we go. Hoping for a signature. Doo-dah, doo-dah. All right, boys.
Sweet.
Connor McDavid.
Base.
Base.
There you go.
Brandon Saad. Chicago Blackhawks.
One of those prisms.
Yep. Royal Blue Cubes.
Cubes.
25 out of 99.
Nice.
Dun, dun, dun.
For Chicago. Sweet.
Yeah. Welcome to Chicagoland.
Yeah, those are pretty funky.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Anything out of 99, sexy.
Get a whole roll of those. Holy crap, man. That's just
Bobby Ryan base.
That's all that
Victor
is.
Mete.
Mete, sweet. Marquee.
Yeah, just a regular
That's
one,
a
but hey,
roll.
there's in the platinum go, guys. I mean, I don't know, there's not a regular card.
No.
They're all very
I
shiny.
know. It's amazing.
All right, I think this was Dougie said. Well, over at his place, he was opening them up. Every card's shiny, Lon.
Yeah.
And it's true.
They're all
He's
shiny.
absolutely right. I was excited as hell when I left.
Oh, I know. They're
Hmm.
amazing, but look at the autographs you're getting in them too, though.
TJ Oshie
Oshie.
base. Oliver Ekman Larson.
That's funky.
Violet Pixels. Yeah, they're not numbered, but it's a very cool
Yeah,
card.
that's funky, man.
Yeah.
The light bouncing on the side of it's crazy.
It's like in baseball, the purple refractors.
Yeah, those are
They're at a
nuts.
250, but
Yeah,
they
they're
barely get
nuts.
anything than a regular refractor. So
Exactly.
William Karlsson,
They're nuts.
Las Vegas Knights, regular base. And a Luke Akunin, a marquee rookie.
Marquee rookie.
Regular.
Gets that goal.
Regular.
Hey, Minnesota's on the board though.
Yep.
Sweet.
The Wild.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Luke Kunin, that's not too
Come
bad.
on, autograph.
Let's see. I don't see any comments, so I can't say much there.
Henrik Sedin, base.
Ah, too bad it wasn't.
And
a
retired.
Rainbow or something.
And then Brandon Saad, a regular base. Logan Couture, rainbow.
Rainbow. Yeah, I could tell by
Yep.
the shine coming off the
Unnumbered.
side of it. Yeah, that's
And then Stevie Y.
funky. Yeah, Campbell Conference.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So that's going to go to Detroit.
That one works for Detroit City. Nice card. You gotta love those retired stars, man. They're always nice cards to have.
I like the fact that they put them in the conference, not their own, not the old uniform.
Exactly, yeah.
That's kind of classy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you don't see those very often.
Ryan Hartman,
Hartman?
base. Woo!
See,
Alex
even those
Tuck.
base make Hartman look good, right?
Alex Tuck, marquee rookie.
Nice. There's a good one for somebody.
Retro.
Yeah.
Las Vegas, man.
I think Doug's got Vegas.
Nobody's got Vegas. And then
Nice
Eric
Marquee rookie.
Comrie.
Comrie's a nice one.
Yep.
Right now he's on fire. Tonight there's a game, right?
Yep.
Yep.
And then Justin Falk, base.
It's all Justin's fault.
It's all just it's pretty good, Clint.
All right, nothing there. We'll blame Justin for that one.
It's all Justin's fault.
Blame him.
Alrighty.
Into
More
the-
fire starter.
into the
And you know
house
what?
it goes.
Anybody that does have a wood stove at home, these packs do make
Yeah,
excellent
they
fire
do.
starter.
I make bundles with bags.
I guess.
Yeah.
Jamie Ben, base. Zetterberg, base.
There's a funky looking one.
Yep.
That might even be a rainbow.
Will Butcher, Marquee Rookie, Rainbow.
Nice rainbow. Sweet. Nice marquee rookie right there. Will Butcher.
And then Kristen,
Not numbered.
Mr. Juice.
They both
With a
get a
marquee
goal, so
rookie, yeah.
hammer that again. That's going to go again. There's 2 goals right there. Back to back.
Your light's got gas, man.
It's got gas. It likes to give out hits. That's all. That's all that is. That thing, every time it goes off, somebody gets something. So, you know, which is awesome.
All right. Mitch Marner, base.
Oh, there's a funky looking one coming, though.
Marcus Johansson,
Nice retro.
Rainbow.
Rainbow retro.
Rainbow Retro.
Nice. I dig that.
What's that?
I dig that.
Jordan Eberle. And then, Mr. McAvoy.
McAvoy,
There's a
marquee
big hit.
rookie. Yeah, that's a nice one.
That'll be a $6 card. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah, you probably get more than that. That's a nice looking card. No rainbow.
No,
Just
just base.
a McAvoy. McAvoy's nice though. Hang on to some of his good cards. Cause
Yep.
he's a
You'll be
good
calling
guy.
him Charles in a few years.
Yeah.
James Neal, base. Logan Couture, base. Kyle Oposo, retro.
Retro.
Just a base retro, though.
No funky flare. No.
And nothing
crazy
in there.
flash.
Jonathan Twos, that was it. That's what we call the dud pack.
Oposo.
Oposo. One empty box.
I suppose so.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Let's check these bays here.
Huh. 2,
Nothing on those.
4, 6, 8, 9. How many packs did we open down there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, that box had 19 in it.
1, 2. 10. Yeah, I got 10
And
wrappers.
there's
here.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So maybe there's something super crazy good.
I got 10 wrappers here. And they're all at my feet.
Let's hope there's something crazy good then.
Let's hope so. Still the first box, so yeah,
Yep.
we got. Yeah, there's some potential there.
Charlie Coyle. Base.
Oh, nice
Platinum
Gretzky.
Records.
Nice Gretzky.
One Gretzky.
Oh, there's another nice one right behind it.
Yep.
Yeah, nice Gretzky for the Oilers.
Yes, sir. Dylan Larkin, Red Prism. Out of 199, 182. Out of 199.
Nice, nice prism. Let's give him a goal.
Yeah. Still doesn't make up for a not a lost pack, but
Yeah, not
Alex
yet.
Kerfoot, marquee rookie,
Yeah.
base.
Colorado. Right on. That's not a bad little rookie to have. You watch out for
Oh,
him
there's
in
the 11th
in a
pack
couple
there.
years. Oh, is that his feet?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we did get a pack ahead.
Yep.
One drifted his way. So we're on target here,
Yeah.
guys.
Good, good.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't like that, so.
Charlie Coyle, regular base card.
Yep.
And that's
All right.
all you get.
Is there supposed to be an autograph in every box? Or no?
I don't know if it's guaranteed. but
Cam Talbot, base. Braden Shen, base.
and retro
Yeah, Backstrom. Just a base retro, though.
still.
And Timu Solani, base.
Come on, Big Dennis. Big hammers. You gotta hammer it. Hammer us.
Come on, give me something good. Nick Foligno, base.
There you go.
Oh, ho, ho.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
That's a
beauty.
nice one.
That's a beauty.
That's a really nice one. Jake DeBrusk.
There it is. There it is.
Jake
Auto.
DeBrusk auto.
Hard signed.
Hard signed.
By the looks of that, that's a beauty.
It is too. That is nice.
Check that guy out. That's a beauty. That's a beauty, guys. There's the ticket right there. That's going to be worth a little bit of money next year. You wait.
Yep.
You just started.
And then a Ryan Johansson.
I'm going to put that in the hard case.
Base. Yep. Absolutely. And a Vengi Svechnikov.
Svechny. Sweet.
Marquee rookie. That's gorgeous, man. That's a beauty of an autograph.
Just so you guys see this.
Nice, nice.
Put this in the sleeve.
That's a nice one.
Nice card.
Makes me wish I had Boston. That's a gorgeous one.
Yeah. Good card. That was worth an honorable mention.
Absolutely.
Sorry, I'm slacking.
Oh no, that's
that
fine.
one required a little bit extra.
Yeah, man.
attention.
Go team.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that was sweet. Good job, guys. That was nice.
Who had Boston tonight?
I don't remember.
I don't either.
Offhand, and the phone's tied up right now.
Dustin. How's his last name?
Bufflin.
Bufflin?
Bufflin is how they pronounce it.
It looks like Bifuglen.
Yeah, and that's what I used to call him, Bufuglen.
Yeah, Brandon Sutter. Oh, Brock Boser.
There you go.
Marquee rookie.
There you go. It's a nice one.
Retro. Just a base, but hey, it is what it is.
But it's a retro.
It's a
though.
retro. It's a nice one.
It's a retro marquee.
Yep. Andrew
Vancouver.
Ladd.
Good job, Vancouver. I think I got that.
Yep. I do believe.
Good.
Da-da-da-da-da.
I hate seeing spots left over because these are spots that people could have had.
Rickard Rackle base. Penka Rene
Yeah.
base. Ryan
And
Kessler.
Retro. Yes, retro, yeah.
Retro. And
Sweet.
Christian Yaros.
Yeah,
Regular.
that's the thing too. When I waited so long to pull the trigger on the randoms, it only gave a couple hours for trades and whatnot. So
Yeah.
it was, one of them things. But the swing's getting back there, guys.
Yeah.
And that's the main thing. So that's fantastic.
Alexander Originov a base. Jonathan Twos. Rainbow.
Nice.
You can tell as soon as they come out of the pack they're rainbow.
Oh, yeah, totally. Yeah.
Patrick Marleau. Base. Martin Anakas. Rookie. Regular rookie, though.
Ooh, nice rainbow.
Yeah, I like that one.
It's like going trout fishing. Got a rainbow. Sweet.
Yep.
Next one coming out is a bull trout.
Yeah, old Logan Brown.
Yeah.
Logan Brown trout.
Yeah. Logan Brown trout.
Jeff Carter, base. Yeah, Oliver Ekman Larson, a base.
There you go. That's a
James
rainbow
Neal,
for sure.
rainbow.
Good old Vegas Golden Knights rainbow.
Yep. And a Patrick Hoa.
Nice. Yeah, that's the Campbell Cups are, I
Yeah.
would say, considered hits, right?
Yep. Oh, I think
Gotta
so.
be, yeah. That's a nice wah. Speaking of which, somebody wants a nice wah. I got a nice wah. Say wah?
He's got a nice
I
wah.
got a nice wah. I've been told I got a nice wah. There's only 10 of them in the
Oh,
world.
nice. Tavares, base. Hag. Violet
Nice one.
Pixels.
Violet Pixel.
Yep. Unnumbered.
Sweet. Marquee Rookie, Violet Pixel.
Yep. Marquee rookie. That's a nice one.
Yeah, man, those are funky.
Yep.
Jesus.
Christian Fisher. Marquee
Good old
rookie.
Fisher.
And Pasternak.
You guess that?
Yeah, he's just a base. Always reminds you of Mrs. Pasternak.
Yeah, exactly.
2.5 men.
Yeah, that's one box down. That's pretty good for a box, man. That's doing all right.
Yep.
I can't
Some
complain
nice
about
hits.
that.
Austin Matthews. Base. Mitch Marner. Base. No, rainbow. Mitch Marner,
Yeah.
rainbow.
Oh, rainbow.
Tirana.
Rainbow. Rainbow City.
And then we got,
Nice. And it's not numbered.
no, Jesper Bratt.
Jesper Bratt. What's there to say about old Jesper?
Not a whole lot right now.
Not a whole lot. He's just kind of hovering in
Yep.
limbo.
And then base.
And the base card.
There we go.
Not bad, guys. Fuck, that's a good start. It's a really good start. I'd say for sure. That's a
Box
nice.
number 2.
That's a nice autograph to Brusque.
Oh, it's a beaut.
Somebody's gonna get to walk away with. Sweet.
That is a beaut.
That deserves a celebratory drink. Whoever got Boston in this round.
Let's do it this way. Take your box.
You got the box.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
So yeah, I don't know. We might go
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Pick your team style or something next round. We'll see how it flows. I got to work on a break over the next couple days.
They're fun too, though. Then you get what you want.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
They're fun too.
Yeah.
These are fun too because it's good value. These are good value, as you know.
Yeah, exactly. They are great value.
Yeah, Jonathan Quick base, Lundqvist base, another Gretzky.
Another Gretzky, nice one.
Platinum Records.
Kings one. That one.
PR number 5.
I think that one's the highest of the book value of the 3 of the Gretzkys you can get from this, which is
Tuca.
Nice because the Gretzky itself covers 3 different hit groups, right? And those are decent little cards.
Oh yeah, I never thought of it that way.
Yeah. So you got to factor in there's Gretzky's chance for autos in all 3 too. Imagine.
Victor Hedman, base. Aaron Ekblad, base. And Alexander DeBrincat,
Marquee
retro. Just a base retro though, no rainbow.
Chicago.
And a marquee rookie, Carter Rowney. Never heard of that cat yet.
Carter Rowney. Yeah, I got. I think I got his young gun actually. That's for Pittsburgh. Good old Pittsburgh. I thought it was kind of funny. This year was the first year that Crosby did not win any awards in the NHL.
There we go.
But he is still such an amazing player.
Who we got there? Mark Scheifele. Base, though.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. Yes.
Corey
Schneider. Ooh.
Base. There's a funky looking guy.
Nick Leddy. Seismic Gold.
That's a nice short print.
07 out of 50.
That's a nice
Here
short
you go,
print
Clint.
for the Islanders.
Showcase that one.
Let's give them that.
There you go, because my hands are reversed.
Yeah, exactly. Nick Leddy.
That's beauty. Out of 50.
I think you guys can see that nicely. I'm going to sleeve it before I attempt to flip it. It's being sleeved as we speak. And we got 07 out of 50.
Beauty.
That is a beauty card, guys. Good job. And that's for the Islanders. I'm going to sleeve that guy because it deserves it.
Seismic Gold.
Rookie.
Sidney Crosby. Base. Mike Hoffman, Violet Pixels. Mike Hoffman. Mike Hoffman.
Mike Hoffman. Mike Hoffman.
Mike Hoffman.
Mike Hoffman.
Yep. Jack Roslovic. Nice. Marquee rookie. Hey, you know what? I think I got winter peg tonight.
I think you did.
Yee-hoo!
You did, yeah.
Finally got a Jack Roslovic.
Yeah, see? The marquees are nice. Marquees are nice, man.
Sam Gagne.
I gotta say, O-Peachy's...
I'm telling you.
O-Peachy's on point.
I was saying to Clint the other day, when back in 91, back in 89, 90, 91, when the card craze went first, I used to work at a card shop for this guy named Howie Gray in town. Good guy, man. And we had a lot of fun. But when the 91 OPC premiere went crazy, because it was like, you know, their stab at a really high-end card, when you look at these cards, I think, in my opinion, this could be that set. This could be the set that everyone's kicking their ass going, man, I wish I had collected that set. Yeah. Because this is a damn nice set of cards, I'll tell you.
They are, yeah.
Claude Giroux, base. Carey Price, base. Marc-Andre Fleury, Rainbow.
Florida Vegas.
Rainbow. Marc-Andre Fleury.
Florida Vegas.
Alex Dubrincat.
Marquee rookie for Chicago.
But it's just a base.
But
it's just base, huh? Dubrincat.
Stick it.
All right.
For Chicago Blackhawks, it is Alex.
For the Chicago Blackhawks, Dubrincat. Ovechkin, base. What we got there? Ben Bishop.
Ben Bishop.
Retro. Victor Arvidsson. Base. Pierre-Luc Dubois.
Never heard of him.
Pierre-Luc Dubois. Base.
Marquee rookie. For Columbus.
Columbus.
Take that, Columbus. That's what you get, Greg Finley. You get the bois. You get the bois.
Not just Dubois.
You get the bois.
Jean-Luc Dubois. Scott Darling, bass. Leon Draisaitl, bass. Ooh, Jack
Another
Roslovic
Roslovic.
Rainbow.
Nice. Nice. To go along with
The regular
the
one.
regular marquee rookie.
And then William Nylander, you can call him Bill, bass.
You can call it Bill.
You can call him Bill. Don't call him late for supper.
That's right.
All right. Do. Duncan Keith, bass. Ooh.
The Calgary de Flames.
John Achilles,
Marquee.
Marquee,
Retro.
Retro, Rainbow.
Good job.
Yeah, nice.
Nice, Calgary. Good job.
Isn't that,
JDB.
yeah.
Jonah, way
Yep.
to go, buddy.
He's like me. He's always after Calgary. I'm always
Right.
after the Flyers.
I'm glad we can get him in on the break.
Philip, don't say that guy's name. Chapstick? I'm just joking. Schlip.
Slip.
I don't know.
Slappick.
Well, that's a nice one. That's a
Philip
real
Schlappick.
nice one.
Marquee rookie, Ottawa.
This is a really nice card. I like that. The action,
Oh,
the
that's
color. That's
oh,
sick.
That's a Balfour.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a nice Balfour.
That is a sick looking card, man.
Whoever got that card might want to message me.
Look at the helmet's popping right out of it.
I know.
The eagle on the face
that's
mask.
Eagle Eddie.
That's great.
That's
beauty.
Great card, guys.
That's a beauty.
Yeah,
For not being numbered, no
that's-
rainbow. That's just a great looking
that's
base
a-
card, man.
I
Like
think that's a little more embossed than most of them.
it looks
though.
like it, doesn't it?
There's something going on there.
It's a
NHL
nice card.
All-Star, anyway.
Me likey.
So this would go probably to the last team he played for, which would be the Stars. Right?
Well, yeah, or whoever he played in that All-Star. I don't know how that would. Greg would probably know.
Yeah. We'll figure
Jonathan
it out.
Huberdeau, base.
Purdue.
Braden Point, base. Nikolai
Ehlers.
Ehlers.
Sweet.
Yeah, nice. Retro.
Nice retro.
And a Tyson Yost.
Good like Ehlers. Oh, nice marquee rookie. Is that a rainbow? It almost looks it.
Now, see, in Nova Scotia, we pronounce that Yost because we've got Yost wineries.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's how
I wonder if
would
it's
pronounce
Tyson
it.
Jost.
Yeah.
Or maybe, I don't know.
I always call him Yost. 'Cause that's what I'm used to. too.
Tomato.
Exactly. Getting that sweet. And that wasn't a rainbow.
I like
but
them both.
Pretty sharp. Card.
Matt Duchene, base. In action, Charlie McAvoy. Oh, give it there we go. Charlie McAvoy in action.
Nice. That's
That's
a
a
nice
nice one.
card, guys. We'll give
Oh,
that a go. Like.
Yeah, I like the in actions.
Yeah, they're sharp. They're really sharp cards, actually. Gotta give McAvoy credit, man. He's holding his own.
Mike Hoffman,
For a new
base.
defenseman, he's doing well.
Yeah, Josh Hosang.
All saying?
Yeah.
What you saying?
He sang.
That's a marquee goal.
I think so. It's a nice
For
card.
the Islanders. You're right, man. Hosang, he's gonna explode. He's gonna come out and be like hammer. He's gonna hammer
Mm.
goals, and then he's gonna take a 2-week hiatus, and then hammer some goals, take a 2-week
Matt.
hiatus.
Beliski. Well, this is a cool one. I've never seen a green one before.
Sweet.
Nikita Sherbak again.
Green retro.
29 out of 49.
Nice.
You can display that one.
There's
Again,
a
my
nice
hands
card.
are
Yeah,
reversed.
totally. There's a nice card, guys, right there. Montreal Canadiens.
She's a beaut.
That is a beauty. And I'm going to sleeve it real quick before I flip it. It just stabilizes that much better. And that is 29 out of 49.
base.
Montreal Canadiens. Good job.
And Brock Besser. Marquee rookie.
Sweet.
Non-rainbow, but still nice card. Nice card.
Vancouver.
Do they have the glossies in these
I
packs?
think they might.
Or is that just a regular OPC?
I'm not sure, to be honest with you.
Tyler Seguin, just a base. Joe Pavelski, just a base. Nick
Rainbow.
Leddy.
It's going to be one.
Yeah, Nick Leddy rainbow.
Sure looked like it.
Yeah.
It was blinded by the light.
Base.
Nick Leddy, New York Islanders. Rainbow.
Very nice.
Yes, they are nice cards, man. I must say these are probably the best cards I've seen in a long time.
These are the nicest. These are way nicer than Upper Decks.
Yeah. I mean, I like the black diamonds and stuff like that
Yeah.
too. They're
Yeah,
nice cards,
yeah.
but you know,
Matt Murray base.
reasonably, these are
Jake Glensoul. Violet Pixels. Very nice. Very nice.
He's violent and he's pixelated. Oh no.
Violent Pixels.
He's like Adam Sandler on mushrooms, man.
Vince
Nice
Dunn.
card. Pittsburgh.
And a Recce.
Recce. Mark Recce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time you made it, well, at least it tells you on the back the last time that they.
That last guy gets a goal.
Yeah. 1999 he played for the Flyers, so.
Oh yeah, another NHL All-Star.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Fucking right, man. That's a nice card to reckon with. It's hard to get right with all these hits, man.
Martin Jones base. Artemi Panarin base. Remy Ely.
For Dallas.
Yep. Retro.
Marquee Retro.
Yep. Nice.
We'll take that.
And then Alex Tuck.
Here's another nice one.
Yep.
That's a nice
Just a base one, but it's still.
Yeah.
Marquee rookies and marquee rookie.
I find they move. You can trade them. You can sell them. You can work your way around stuff with them. Even if they're not your team or even if
Well,
they're
it's,
your bag,
if it's even like me, I always try to, if players that I don't have or can't afford the young guns of, like the McDavids and stuff, or
trade everybody until you can.
Yeah.
Or
Henry
cash in or whatever. It's just the way it works.
What's that guy?
That's what makes it beautiful.
Nick, how would you say that guy's name? I haven't seen Florida play too much.
Bjugstad?
Yeah. Kyle Palmieri.
New Jersey, yeah.
Philip Chittle.
Marquee rookie.
So that was the only one we got.
Chittle's a marquee, yeah.
Yep. Marquee.
For the Rangers.
Oh.
Good job there,
I had to
Chittle.
stretch my shoulder.
Yeah, I did that yesterday or last break too. Can't help but kind of.
Yeah, you gotta stretch out. Wayne Simmons a base. Nick Bonino. Base.
Ooh, there's a nice one.
Ooh. New York Rangers.
There's a nice one, New York. Marquee rookie.
Red.
Signature
Red Rainbow Auto. Not numbered. Red Rainbow
nice
Auto, hard signed.
Yeah. But that is.
That's gorgeous.
Philip Chittle for the Rangers. That is a really nice looking card.
That's beautiful.
It's got like a
And
beautiful
Couturier.
tint looking gloss to it.
That's sick.
Yeah, that's a beauty card, guys. New York just scored a hit there.
I guess. That's sexy.
Yeah.
That's one of the best looking cards I've seen. The fade, that's really nice, man.
And even the color of the background, like the border on it. Sexy.
Wicked.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's a nice card.
Yep, Patrick Liney.
New York's on there with a goodie. I'm gonna hard case that right
Creator. Ooh, here's a nice one for Columbus.
Let's see what you got.
Sergei Bobrovsky, 6 out of 25.
I shouldn't have traded, but I did.
Orange checkers.
Nice.
Out of 25.
See, there's the game. You just never know, right?
Man, that's a nice one.
I'm gonna bag this retro here.
Yeah, I won't set this down until you touch. That's beautiful, man. I just got his young guns because he was drafted by the Flyers, right?
There's a nice one. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
That is a nice card, guys.
That's a beauty of a card. Look, we did get Logan Brown. Brown Trout.
It's numbered to 25. That's a nice
gorgeous.
hit right there for Columbus. Good job,
Greg
again.
Yep, nice.
That's what you get.
That's what you get.
That's what you get.
That's what you get when you
deal with it, homie. Deal with that trade.
That's what you get when you hang out with the Baker boys.
That's right.
A collector crate.
You get some pretty good hits, man. It's not too
Yeah,
bad.
these are nice boxes.
Not too bad. I must say.
All right, Monahan base. Charlie McAvoy, destined for glory. Nice. DG13. That's a cool card, man.
Yeah, the Destins for Glory are nice cards.
We got Lemieux.
Charlie McAvoy, Destined for Glory. Yeah, an All-Star Lemieux. Right on.
And Hayden Fleury.
And you know who Lemieux's going to go to? Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
I don't think he played for anyone else hardly.
Nope.
Marquee rookie, Carolina.
Hayden Fleury.
Hayden Fleury.
And that Bobrovsky was nice.
Yeah, it was really sharp.
And that Chittle one was really nice too, man.
Yeah, man.
Connor McDavid, base.
I love the blend of the card.
Gabriel Carlson. Retro.
Nice retro. Marquee rookie.
Nice Sean Monahan. Blue Rainbow. 056 out of 149.
Sweet. We got to do a double dose. One for the Blue Rainbow.
Yep. Monahan.
Good job there, Monahan fans. Calgary's just cleaning house with some nice hits. What did I do?
Yep.
I love it.
Yeah, that's all right.
I love it when you guys get hits, man.
That's
Trust
right.
me. Trust me.
Get rid of that. TJ Oshie. Base.
There's a rainbow.
There's a rainbow. Record Rackle.
I can't help but saying it like the old Yogi Bear cartoons. Yeah.
Jake DeBrusk.
This is Jake Brackenridge.
Marquee rookie DeBrusk.
Marquee rookie DeBrusk.
Yeah. And then baseball.
DeBrusk fans are cleaning house.
Boston. Cleaning house.
Yes, they are doing really well. Marquee rookie Jake DeBrusk. Not anything special. Run of the mill. Marquee rookie. But my God, those are pretty sharp cards, I must say.
Yep.
I do like some of the other fancy ones too, like the STs and the Game U's. I'm like everybody else. I like the big, expensive black diamonds too. But if those are like your PC type attained cards,
yeah,
those are the ones you want to crown off your collection
like
of
these
somebody
would be
with. They're
good bang for the buck.
Yeah. These are cool for just the whole souvenir collector values, tradables, sellables. Just the sheer look of them too. You know, like the quality's excellent. If you're like me and you have most of your room all decorated in hockey cards, something like these look really cool.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Here we go. Let's wind them up, sports fans.
Hands up.
The first pack has been cracked. Here it comes. He's taking the pack, passing to Clint, and he's flipped them over. Braden Shen. Oh, man. It's got to be Jake DeBrusk week.
Nice. I seen that. Yeah.
Marquee rookie, 1 out of 49.
Yeah.
048 out of 149.
Blue Rainbow again.
Yep.
Retro. Number.
Oh, excuse me.
That gets something
Does it ever?
for its efforts.
Does it ever? Oh.
Stack
Oscar Klebom. And a Travis Sanheim regular.
Stack of hits are piling up, buddy. I gotta say, there is quite a few hits on 3 boxes of them suckers.
Yep.
I like it.
Austin
Every minute of
Matthews. Base. Brandon Dubinsky. Base. Patrick Marleau Rando.
Rainbow.
And then another Gretzky.
Toronto, Patrick Marleau.
Campbell
Rainbow.
Conference Gretzky.
Oh. There's a nice rainbow, Patrick Marleau, but even better. All right, so there's two people that won cards that I'm interested in tonight. All right, that Wayne Gretzky's going to some lucky person. As we all know, I collect them. Anyway, get a hold of me if you want to trade or sell or something like that.
Cam Fowler, base. Nazim. Oh, yeah, that was a base. Nadim Kadri, base. Dylan Larkin.
There you go.
Violet Pixels.
I like the violet pixels. They look pretty sharp.
Yep. And then a Nolan Patrick. Marquee rookie, base.
Rookie de Marquis.
Marquee de Marquee.
Marquis.
Better than the Marquee beside. Alright. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Every time they say his name, it sounds like he's saying cut his nuts off.
Yeah.
Base. Evgeny cut his nuts off.
Yeah.
Mikael Granlund. Jack Eichel.
And cuts his nuts off, gets hammered into the board.
Yeah, that's right. Jaromir Jagr.
There you go.
Boy, he looks like freaking Yngwie Malmsteen.
Yeah. Almost.
Give me another donut.
Yeah.
Looks like you put some weight on.
That's just the base, but that last one's a retro there. Or retro.
Yep.
A retro.
Retro rookie. Yeah, it's just a base card.
For Buffalo.
Yarger.
Yeah.
Erickson. Base. Tavares. Rambo. Samuel Blaze. Oh, and Joe Sakic.
New York Islanders.
That's a nice. I've never seen that card yet.
Yeah, I've seen one. I got one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Good old Yowie.
Yeah, good Sakic card. There's St. Louis marquee rookie. Gets that goal light. And he comes in, and it's a 5-hole. And Joe Sakic, of course.
Better than getting in the cornhole.
Unmistakable ears.
Yeah.
You know. He might have just had the nickname Bucket growing up. he just might have. God love ya, Joe.
Kessler. Base. Zuccarello. Base. Oh,
there you go. There you go.
Minnesota Wild. Luke Kunin.
There you go. That's a
Rookie
nice one. Yeah.
auto.
That's a nice one. Minnesota did not make out too bad.
Oh, and then we got an Alex Formanton. Yep. There you go. My hands are.
Luke Kunin. Rookie auto. Hard signed, and that is actually a very nice signature.
Yep.
That's a beauty signature.
And it's not numbered, though.
It is not numbered, but it is a rookie auto.
Yep. Beauty. And then just a regular Alex Formanton. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, let's leave that up. That is a nice card, guys. And for Minnesota to pull out a signature, that gives hopes to the underdog teams.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
There you go.
As it should.
Exactly. That's the whole point, is you just never know where these hits are going to just hammer you from. And
Everybody should have a fair chance.
Yeah, I agree. That's what makes it go.
Steve Stamkos. Kane. Yep.
Yeah, that's a retro.
Yep.
Sweet.
Alex Martinez.
Chicago Patrick Kane retro.
LA. Alec. Martinez. 36.
That's a nice
out
one.
of 199.
That's a nice red cube.
It took a rasp. Red prism, yep.
Yeah. LA Kings.
The signature came early in that one.
Yeah, it did. LA Kings on that is numbered. Did you mention that?
Very premature.
199?
Yep, out of 199, yep.
Sweet.
Paris. Base. Pierre-Luc Dubois in action.
Nice in action.
Yep. There's that Carter Rowney again.
Yeah.
Marquee rookie. And the Jugstead base.
Buglestead.
Bejugsted.
Yeah. Some of them are hard, man, I'm telling you.
Looks like another shiny one. Alex Kopitar.
Anze.
This next guy, he's a pretty good guy, eh? Mike Vecchione.
Yeah.
He comes from the family. It's Mike Vecchione.
He'll do you right.
He'll do you right.
Marquee
man.
rookie. Retro.
Jonathan Marchessault. Out of 25. 18 out of 25 for Vegas.
Nice. Sweet.
And woohoo, look at that. Jack Roslovic, rookie again.
That's an orange checkers, that one.
Yep, out of 25.
Yeah. Out of 25.
Very nice.
Beauty card. Beauty
Roslovic.
card. Roslovic with the wrist shot from the hash marks. Slides one in while we're distracted with the other shiny cards.
I see an Alex Dubrin-Cat again, eh?
See how you work.
Brandon Holtby.
Look at the hits. This is awesome.
It's awesome. A lot of hits in this one.
Guys. Good job.
Rainbow, I think. Yep. Christian Yaros.
Good job. This makes me happy for you.
Swatawa.
Swatawa?
Yeah. Sam Gagner.
Oh, he's got to get a goal light. He's coming
Yeah.
up.
Oh.
There we go.
And then a base. Marquee rookie.
Marquee rookie Chicago.
Alex Dubrin-Cat again, eh?
Bam.
Last of the 10. Here we go.
Good luck. Some more goodies in there. So far, so good, man. I think you guys will be pleased with this pile of nice cards you got going on here.
Logan Couture. Base. Anthony Mantha. Destined for Glory. And then Will Butcher.
Destined for Glory, Anthony Mantha.
And then Kevin Hayes, base. Good old Butcher. But Joyzy.
Marky Rookie. Will Butcher.
Sergei Bobrovsky, base. Alex Galonchuk, base. Daniel Sedin, retro, base.
Vancouver.
Clayton Keller.
Marky Rookie for Arizona.
Clayton Keller.
Somebody got it. Somebody got it. Who got the Arizonas?
I'm
You
not
got
sure.
the Arizonas?
The Arizonas. No, I got the winter pegs.
You got the winter pegs.
I'm coming from the peg.
I know folks want
Jonathan
Arizona.
Druin. Oh, I see a green one coming up.
Sweet.
Oh, base. Jeff Carter, base. Ryan Kessler,
Ryan Kessler, Anaheim.
12 out of 49.
Sweet. That's the green.
Green, a rainbow.
Retro, rainbow.
And then another Patrick Waugh.
Patrick, what's it? What?
And it would go to the Avalanche.
Ryan
game,
Kessler out of 49. 12 out of 49.
probably. Yep, nice.
Nice green retro. Good job, folks.
Very minty.
A lot of hits out of 3 boxes.
Yep.
He's doing pretty good.
Oliver
Fantastic.
Ekman Larson. Peke.
Pecorine.
Yep, Violet Pixels.
Violet Pixel for Nashville. I'll take that.
Pasternak base. And Christian Fisher.
Marquee rookie for the Arizonas.
base. The Arizonas
The
again.
Arizonas. Them damn Arizonians. They think they're so great with their warm weather and their great cactus bushes.
Joe Tavares. I sell propane accessories. Rickard Rackle again. Martin Anakas, a rainbow, a marquee, a herky,
Carolina.
and another Christian Piaros.
Carolina. That was a nice marquee rookie.
Yep. And Piaros. Yep.
Imagine doing a case of these by yourself.
No,
There's a lot of hits, man.
I guess.
That'd be a fun night, wouldn't it?
Also, propane.
I'd be so
propane
drunk by the
accessories.
end of it. I'd have to. It'd be great.
Man, it's Pecorine.
Pecorine, I'll take it.
Base, though. Thomas Tater.
Thomas Tater.
Tatar.
Thomas Tater. There you go.
Patrick Marlowe.
Detroit
base.
with a retro. You can spice that however you like. A tater's still a tater.
Tater Tatar.
Yeah.
You can say Tater or you can say
Marquee
Tatar.
rookie. Yeah, sorry.
I say I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Not about that
however
card.
it rolls out.
Tell him to score a few more goals.
I like Tater better. That's the best.
Make me
Come on,
care.
man.
Alexander Radulov, base.
Base.
Nick
Nick
Foligno, base. There's that Richard Reichel again.
That's a rainbow.
Reichel. Rainbow.
Rainbow. Reichel,
Yeah.
Reichel.
And Ryan Johansson.
I don't know. Look how bright those are, though.
They're wicked, man.
You're going to look at one of those in the sunlight.
Wacky.
I have not yet looked at one of those in the sunlight. What does that look like? Anybody know?
Wacky.
Probably crazy.
Looks like a really big shoe.
It's like being on mushrooms.
And then you got Dustin. Bafuglian.
I call him buffering. The buffering
Yeah.
man.
Shane
And
Gottsbeer. I always call this guy.
Kind of looks like a pill.
Shane Goddess Be Here.
Gotta be here.
Rainbow.
It's got your beer.
Evgeny Svechkinov.
Philadelphia Retro.
Marquis Haruki. And Andrew Ladd.
Detroit City.
Base.
Detroit City. Cleaning up with some hits tonight. They got a lot of hits. They got a lot of hits. Yeah, 3 boxes wasn't too bad.
No.
I wouldn't say.
Good amount of hits.
I think that was worth the
Brandon Sutter.
time.
Nope. Rainbow. Didn't look like a rainbow, but Charlie Coyle. Base. Marquee rookie.
from
Vladislav Kamenev.
Vladislav coming up.
Base.
Nice one to have.
And Kerfoot.
Kerplunk.
Base Marquee.
Kerplunk.
Yeah, well, we got
Colorado.
the autograph came quick.
Yeah,
Came in the
it did.
second or third pack in, so.
And that's a marquee, so it gets the hammer. Well, man, there's a nice stack of hits here for all you guys.
Big time.
That's wicked.
Hammer down. Cam Talbot. Timu Solani. Platinum
There you go.
Records.
That's a nice one to have.
And back-to-back. Timu Solani.
NHL All-Star.
Yeah, NHL All-Star.
Nice.
And then a
Platinum.
Jesper.
That's a nice platinum to get your hands on right there, man.
Yeah.
For collectors, some platinums are nice.
And then Jesper Bratt.
Jesper Bradford, New Jersey to finish it off. Sweet. Sweet, guys. That's an amazing amount of hits.
It's now time to rock and or roll.
It's going to take me a lot longer to go through these later when I get home, so just give me a couple hours and I'll post up some pictures and whatnot and tag who I got to tag, and the whole process of that fun begins. But I think we can all say thanks to Lenny for breaking tonight. That was fantastic. Did a great job.
Thanks, man. That was fun.
Yeah, it was fantastic.
I got a chance to try out many voices too, comrade.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So yeah, give me a little bit here, and this is what you can see for the stack of hits. But just give me a little while, and I'll get home and I'll sort, and I'll take some pictures and whatnot. But that's an amazing amount of hits, guys. That's really nice. That's good to see for you guys. Right on, guys. So I appreciate it. Just like I said, give me a couple hours and we'll go from there, and then I'll be posting another break hopefully tonight or by the morning. Right on.
Adios, amigos.
Later, guys.